Today we are going to show you how to install Gyproc RhinoTough drywall board. Gyproc RhinoTough is a brand new, locally manufactured and high-strength board that has an enhanced fixing capability and is impact resistant. For the purposes of this video, please note that our RhinoTough 12.5mm board was installed onto a pre-installed gyp frame wall frame and insulated with our Gyproc cavity bat. Using our Gyproc cavity bat insulation in the 12.5mm drywall system reduces acoustic energy transference from one room to the other. Please ensure that you have the correct protective wear, because safety comes first. You will need the following tools: Rhinoboard sharp point screws, a drywall screw gun machine, a rasp, a utility knife, measuring tape, chalk line, and a carpenter's pencil. Now that we have all the tools, components, and PPE we need, we can begin with the installation. Measure the space where your board will be installed, from the floor to the underside of the ceiling. Take that measurement and mark it along both sides of the RhinoTough, subtracting 10mm from the measurement. Use the chalk line to draw a straight line through the benchmark. Using a utility knife, cut along the chalk line from the face side, cutting only once. Once cut, turn the board horizontally, then proceed to pull the board towards you from the uncut side, snapping the board. Cut through the paper with a utility knife to separate the offcut from the board. Remove the offcut and use a rasp to smoothen out the sides of the board. Proceed to take the board to the installation area. Lift the board and place it against the wall frame. Place one screw approximately 50mm from the top side on one side of the board and place another screw 50mm from the bottom of the board on the same side. Repeat the process for the other side. Finally, measure and mark 220mm intervals on one side of the RhinoTough from the bottom screw to the top, fixing a screw to each marking. Repeat the process on the other side. Our RhinoTough 12.5mm boards come with center markings, saving you time and allowing for accurate placement of the sharp point drywall screws as required. Fix screws to these center markings as indicated. You have now successfully installed a Gyproc RhinoTough board. For more information, visit www.gyproc.co.za. RhinoTough, South Africa's toughest plasterboard.